Hello everyone, I am Dr. Lipi Gupta and I am a dermatologist, and today we are going to discuss about adult acne. Acne is a common problem which sometimes we feel it's because of hormonal changes, and it is common to happen in teenage, but these days we can have acne in adults as well. Both men and women can have acne even after 30 years of age. So it's important to understand that what can cause adult acne. Adult acne in women are commonly seen in hormonal imbalances, in which polycystic ovarian syndrome is the most common entity. Polycystic ovarian syndrome is a disorder in which there is acne, increased facial hair growth, and it can sometimes be accompanied with irregular menstrual cycles. So whenever a patient comes who is above 30 to 35 years of age, we always assess such patients with these disorders. In young acne, the forehead area and the T-zone of the face is most likely to be affected, whereas in adult acne, it's the jawline and the lower part of the face which is affected. There is also a correlation which may happen that the acne may get increased during or around the menstrual cycles. In such patients, we assess them for a PCOD evaluation, in which certain diagnostic blood test, which includes a hormonal profile and an ultrasound, is carried out to confirm the diagnosis. There are certain other features which are important in this acne, that this acne is resistant to antibiotic therapy and may require certain other medications for complete management. Certain lifestyle issues can also trigger acne in adults. These are basically excess use of makeup and lack of proper cleaning of makeup when you are going to bed. An imbalanced diet which contains lot of high carbohydrate diet can trigger acne. Excess use of milk and milk products is also related to increased acne. Besides this, acne may also happen because of consumption of certain preserved foods which have chemicals in it, which can in fact trigger acne. Frequent use of razors and other chemical irritants when applied on the face can trigger acne, because these constant use of razors may irritate the hair follicles. Besides this, certain medications like hormonal medications, in which corticosteroids, antidepressants, anti-epileptic agents, anti-tubercular drugs, these medications can cause acneiform eruption which manifest as acne. Use of topical steroids in form of triple combinations, which are over-the-counter creams, can increase acne, and this is known as a steroid-induced acne. These presents as multiple monomorphic lesions which are present all over the face. Some patients may have acne after laser hair removal. In this, when the laser hair removal procedure is done, the razor is used in such a manner which can irritate the hair follicles, and it can manifest clinically as acne. I hope you might find this video helpful in case you are suffering from adult acne, and you can always contact us at www.drlipigupta.com, and we are at Max Hospital and at a clinic at Green Park. Thank you.